subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The LG has launched its new budget smartphone in India under W series called LG W10 Alpha. The new smartphone comes featured by a raindrop notch at the front for selfie camera, and it has a single camera setup on the rear with LED flash. Talking about the specifications, the LG W10 Alpha supports a 5.7-inch HD plus full vision display with 19:9 aspect ratio and 86.83% screen to body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by 1.6 GHz octa-core Uni-SoC SC9863 chipset paired with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. The device also supports storage expansion up to 128 GB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the LG W10 Alpha includes AI-featured 8-megapixel camera on the rear, and it is capable of recording videos at Full HD resolution. The rear camera supports features like filters, beauty mode, and bokeh mode for portrait shots. On the front, there is a 8-megapixel camera under the notch for selfies and video calling. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 9 Pie based on custom skin on top. The device packs with 3450 mAh of battery, and the company claims to offer up to 10 days of standby time, 16 hours of normal talk time, and a 5 hours of video playback. Additionally, the smartphone also features AI face unlock system for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 147.3 by 71 by 8.9 mm, and it weighs around 170 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The LG W10 Alpha has been priced at 9,999 rupees in India, and it is available for purchase in the country in black color option. So, what do you guys think of this LG W10 Alpha smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.